wanna hear old Jimmy skin the blues again. Don't wanna hear that latest Nashville train. Give me that Martin guitar and Gibson mandolin. I wanna hear old Jimmy skin the blues again.
Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multitool School. This is the ZillaTool Junior. It is, of course, the smaller companion to the ZillaTool made by CRKT. In my video about the ZillaTool, I pointed out that it had spring-loaded pliers that you open by pushing this button right here. And it has a knife blade that you deploy with this lever right here. The ZillaTool Junior is pretty much an identical copy, just smaller. You still have this button right here that you use to open the spring-loaded pliers. You have this lever that you use to deploy the knife blade, and it is a liner lock just like the other one. The knife blade is a combo blade. It's partially serrated and then a plain edge blade. The ZillaTool Junior comes with a pocket clip, and it comes with some bits that are kept in a little recess right here. These bits fit into this bit holder on the end. It has a magnet in it so that it holds them pretty securely. One thing to keep in mind is that this is not a standard size. You cannot get an ordinary, what I call a standard size 1/4 inch bit. That's not going to fit on this ZillaTool Junior. This bit is about 5 millimeters in size, and so the standard bits, the 1/4 inch size bits, of course, are just not going to fit in here like they would on the full-size ZillaTool, like so. Now, what you can do about that is get a hold of this item, which is called the Getaway Driver from CRKT, and it comes with some bits that are the full-size standard bits and this bit adapter, which is removable, and you can put the bit adapter right here on the ZillaTool Junior, and then that allows you to put your standard full-size bits into the adapter. Now, I did notice that this adapter wobbles a little bit. Well, actually it wobbles a lot. It just doesn't fit in there very securely, so I'm not sure how practical this is. I can't imagine why they came up with this little 5mm sized bit. It's not even the same size as the little bits that come on a Victorinox Cyber tool. Those are about 4mm in size, and this one appears to be about 5mm in size. But that's what you get. You get one plain edge screwdriver blade and one Phillips driver. Now, size-wise, these pliers are probably about the same size as a Leatherman juice. Well, actually, they're smaller than the Leatherman juice. There you go. But you can see that they're a semi needle nose pliers. If you wanted to compare them to the Leatherman Wave, of course they're much smaller than your full-size Multitools pliers. Now, the advantages of this device, obviously, is the small size is going to make it easier for you to use for everyday carry. It does have the pocket clip with it, which is going to be pretty nice. And if you don't need full-size pliers or extra big pliers, then this might come in pretty handy. The knife blade, just like the full-size ZillaTool, is a combo blade. So you're going to be looking at making a trade-off there. It does deploy pretty nicely. I think you can do a pretty good one-hand open with it. If you are looking for a pocket knife size multi-tool with some pliers that are deployed easily, like so, and the knife blade that deploys pretty easily, you might take a look at the ZillaTool Junior from CRKT. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.